Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2016 Volkswagen Crafter, stock number 6752. This ran from the 9th 2011 to the 7th 2017. It has a MWH 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the MWH 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, sat-nav, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,